Cliff RVRC Planes. Thanks for watching. I'm going to risk my favourite Microaces model here. Okay, well, set equal favourite for the pleasure of you enthusiasts. Okay, now let's try a 160 in it. We pop that through there, shut that down, push that in, so the wire is going to go through this wingtip hole and hook onto there. So I'll pop you down a minute and bend you down. You can see what's going on a little bit from there. Let's pop this one out the way. Alright, we're set to go. Rushton Camel, Microaces. Okay, let's go. Wind seems to have dropped quite well now. Oh, yes. Oh, no, stay tight. Need that wire to stay tight because it's going to whip it. Full right rudder now, and believe it or not, full down elevator. It's a transmitter that. I shut the throttle a bit, probably let go some of that elevator. That's fine, sweet. Throttle a little bit, see if I can climb it up. Still a little bit of breeze about, it's affecting it. This is one of my favourite models, so I don't want to damage it if I can help it. But they do bounce quite well. It's on a 1.6 milliamp hour battery. A little bit of wind blowing there. So I'm balancing it on throttle really. I've got full right rudder and full down elevator. Although it doesn't appear, looking at it, to be a lot of down elevator as she goes past. That's pretty though. Let her climb slightly, not too much. Very nice. Battery's fading. No. Oh, steady. Right, I'm going to think about landing now. See if I can get it on this strip. Oh, no. Okay. Oh, that's pretty pleasing. Servo's whistling there. Sopwith Camel, Jem. Yeah. Yeah. Right, let's unhook her. See, when your daughter inquires about a aeroplane, you know you're winning them over. Okay guys, it was a nice flight. If I remember correctly, they made, this is the 1000th Sopwith Camel they made in this special colour scheme to promote the camel for the war effort and raise funds. But if you Google it, Rushton Camel, you'll find a replica of this aeroplane. Really nice. So, there we are, Rushton Camel. Now it's the turn of the DH2. So I'll put that one over there.